How's it going, Victor? Madison? Ah. Madison, where'd we go? Where are we at? Where are we? Are we getting a tree? Don't shove snow in your mitten, please. Did we get a tree?
Yeah, we got a tree.
All right, let's see the tree.
There it is. It's
There's
a beauty.
our tree.
It's a beauty.
It's a beauty. We got a tree. All right, Madison, you ready? We got a tree.
Let's put the tag on.
Oh, you've got the tag.
Can you help, Master? Is that what you said? Okay, hop up.
You got a tree.
I'll
It's in the
hop
back. Madison's hopping in. Are you hopping in? All right.
Hop in. That was an adventure. Daddy's hands are all greasy. How did that happen from getting a tree? Oh, that's right. Daddy got his car stuck. And one time it was 90 degrees to the road.